Clinical anamnesis refers to patients' complaints and medical history, life history, and objective examination. The epidemiological history includes the patient exposure to ill animals and insects and contaminated water and food. Physiological anamnesis include the fever, local pain, erythema, and swelling, and lymph nodes enlargement, and physiological and it's necessary gastrointestinal and respiratory symptoms determine, and it helps choose appropriate laboratory tests. And they are following, for example, microscopy. Microscopy is used to study their morphological characteristics of microorganisms, and they are these four various coloring methods are used. Bacteria divided into two groups based on their gram stain, gram negative and gram positive, and senescent stain. Senescent stain used for fast acid-fast bacteria, for example, Mycobacterium tuberculosis, and the Ginza stain used for commonly used for parasites. Microorganisms are cultivation in the bacteriological laboratory, and they are ground nutrient media, and another is serology test. The serology detects antibodies, hemoglobin G, M, E, or antigen in the patient's blood. And I want to explain modern molecular techniques, molecular diagnostics provide the most rapid and sensitive results, and polymerase chain reaction detects specific nucleic acid sequences of pathogen microbes, and instrumental laboratory examination is helpful when infection affects internal organs and deep tissues. And X-ray can detect abscess and abscess pneumonia, and ultrasound commonly infection and tomography, computer tomography scan, complex infections and deep abscess, and MRI, influenza and central nervous systems infection, and etc. I'm finished. Thank you for your attention.